Just checked out of the Airbnb. It's raining again today, so hopefully in Luxembourg we'll be able to play. Getting to Brussels was not as easy as I thought. It took around 7 trains somehow, but we're here, and now we're gonna go and try to play Luxembourg.
Luxembourg waits with hills so green, a course or two I've barely seen, but Sunday's trains move more like snails. 3 connections, winding trail. Through Belgian towns I chase the light, Luxembourg still out of sight. But there, a stranger waits to play a U2 golfer, cool in a laid-back way. We've never met, just common shares, but golf's a bond that we both care. No hotel books, not even a spare. Crash at mine, we'll golf somewhere. Each train delayed, a swing I owe. To meet a friend I don't even know. From fairway dreams and travel pains, new flags to chase, despite this train. Luxembourg, so small, so grand, a gem tucked in, a quiet land. The castles high and valleys deep, where history and beauty sleeps. Stone walls whisper tales of old, the dukes, the knights, the battles bold. Yet the air is calm and clean, the windy roads and local scene.
Very tall, holy shit, it's really fun.
We won't even pass a castle tomorrow.
Glad I reached out.
In Luxembourg, I've come to play, to swing, to smile, to seize the
Du hast das Ziel erreicht.
Cool. So this is the hotel? Alright, we're here. Let's go out.
You have a terrace, then it's going down with a waterfall, then you have another water terrace, and then it's going down with a waterfall.
Oh, we got it in.
That's it.
So cheers. Cheers. Night to crash, play some German golf.
Hands down, this was the best part of the trip, a authentic German schnitzel dinner with a professional YouTuber, golfer. I mean, that is one of the top tier golf YouTubers in Germany. I was able to just see some of the local area, go on a few walks, and experience what it is to be there, and more importantly, have the schnitzel. That was hands down the best meal. The local wine and the memories that I've made on this trip just in 4 days.
Green Eagles golf courses, and the course is called in Europe the Green Monster. It's 7,800 meters long, so in yards 8,600.
Whoa.
Yeah, that was the gift package for playing the pro. A protein bar, golf balls, pitchfork, and scorecard holder. And these are that's for playing the Pro-Am in 2023. And these are the tee markers from 2023 from tee number 1.
That is awesome. Piece of history.
Yeah.